Power windows on your Ford Ranger may need a reset after a battery replacement, fuse issue, or electrical glitch. Resetting recalibrates the window's position sensors, ensuring correct operation, especially for the one-touch auto up-down feature. This process teaches the system the window's upper and lower limits. A reset involves cycling voltage to the window motor, allowing it to relearn the endpoints. Doing this yourself can save you a trip to the mechanic. Turn the vehicle on, but keep the engine off. Lower the window fully by pressing and holding the down button, then release. Raise the window fully by pressing and holding the up button, then release. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times slowly. On the last up cycle, hold the up button for 2 to 3 seconds after the window reaches the top. This calibrates the system. Test the auto up-down functions. If it doesn't work, repeat the process. If issues persist, check the window fuse or consult a professional.